very quick recap of forms. For us at Monday, they're a very, very quick way of creating a data capture form and also using the data from that to then streamline a process. The enhancement that we've then added is something called WorkForms. So the first thing about WorkForms is when you build and when you edit those forms, there's a lot more control around the aesthetics. So you can see here, I'm trying to build a form to capture RSVPs for an annual event. I can add in very easily the background, so I can change, from the stock images or from a preloaded image, simple things like that that just make it look a little bit better. And then what I think is a very interesting addition to WorkForms as well is this concept of conditional questions. And one of the questions I just added here as an example is, which team are you in? And just following that, I've put here that if the answer is C-suite, we may want to provide them with a hotel. So this question then will only be available to the C-suite responders. Once you're happy with your form, you can take a look at what it would look like as well. You can see that in the mobile mode if that's needed to publish that as you would normally, just sharing this link. Share on the socials as well if you need to, or generate a QR code. And you can also see the results directly in this page. So as normal, this form is linked to a board. If you've used forms before, you'll know that you can add automations to the board that data links to. So we have all of these incoming responses for various guests. I've put them into buckets of confirmed, maybe, and not attending. And that's all automatically done from the submissions. So if someone says no, they're not attending, then we'll move that to the right group. If they're a maybe, then that moves into a separate group, and perhaps then you might want to set up an automation to remind them about the event in the future as well, which is very simple to do.